Hey everyone, before we get started on today's video, if you didn't use a referral code when you signed up to drive for Uber, it is not too late to get a bonus of up to $1,000. You can use my code right now and you could get that bonus. It depends on when you signed up. It could be $500, could be $800, it literally could be $1,200. But you could literally just get that money right in your account just because you did give the rides then, but you didn't use a referral code. So real quick, here's how you do it. First, open your Uber driver app. Next, click the photo or the 3 lines in the corner. Click earnings. Then click help or question mark. Click account and payment. Then referrals. Now this is the most important step. Make sure you don't mess this one up. Click invited driver, report my missing or incorrect referral. Then click send a message. Type in my invite code. It's G4QA5UE. Guess who your friend's name is? Mr. Gregory Wave. That's right, your homie for life. Phone number 815-847-0184. And the email is gregwave@yahoo.com. In the details, just say my good pal Greg referred me to drive for Uber or something like that, and they'll take care of you. So check it out, guys. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Rideshare Hub. I'm your host, Greg Wave. I have a very, very different video for you, and it's 3 reasons why you should quit Uber and Lyft today. It's not really that, but I am going to give you guys 3 reasons why you might want to consider letting go of this. Number 1 is the rate cuts. The rates have gone down so much since Uber and Lyft came out the very first time, and in the last 2 years, I feel like it's been pretty rough as far as cuts as well. So I would say quitting is extreme. You don't necessarily need to quit. Just find a better way to do it. Look into it, explore with your Lyft and Uber app and find the best times for you to just, even if you make an extra 20, 30 bucks, it's worth it. But if you're doing this full time, you really should quit now. You really should quit now, and you should find a new career because this is only going to get worse. If you're relying heavily on your Uber and Lyft income to get you by in life, you should definitely quit and find something new. But you guys know me, I'm the part-time driver. I will live and die with that. Number 2 is if you're not a good driver, if you're getting bad reports week after week after week that like your number 1 complaint and your ratings, is that you're a bad driver. Look, driving just probably isn't for you, any kind of driving job. And there's some other really great 1099 independent contractor options out there, so don't be afraid to look into other things. There's other ways you can have the flexibility and just not be an Uber and Lyft driver. But yeah, if you're a bad driver, this is just not really ever going to be for you. Number 3 is kind of hitting this already, but if you're doing this and you're looking at it and it's hurting you more than it's helping you, quit. A lot of times this can be very enticing because it's so free and flexible and you can do it your own way, so you'll fight too hard for it and you shouldn't. I have quit before. I've quit for, I think I went through a period of 4 months where I didn't touch the app at all and I was just doing my own thing. And then I got back in a rhythm with the other things I was doing, and I found better ways to drive where it fit my schedule and it made me at least decent money to save. At the end of the day, even if you only make 30 bucks a week with Uber and Lyft, take that 30 bucks, put it in a mutual fund, or put it in some kind of investing opportunity where it will grow. You don't have to be making $500 a week for this to be worth it. You don't have to be making $100 a week to be worth it. You don't have to make 50. If you were making 20 bucks a week and you were putting an extra $80 a month away in a mutual fund, by the time you're retiring, that's going to be some good money for you. So there's ways like that you can be a lot smarter about it. So some other reasons why I would say to quit is maybe you're just not happy. You just really don't enjoy it, then it's not for you. Quit. Don't fight for it too hard. If you're running into problems with your vehicle, quit. Take care of your vehicle and then come back. Maybe it's just a temporary thing. But yeah, so that's just a real quick video, guys. But just always put yourself first and really make sure that this is actually working for you, because there's a lot of scenarios where it won't. I have found the way to make it work perfectly for my schedule and my life. And so work with it a little bit to find that. But if you really can't find it, don't fight for it. It's not worth it in the long run. Alrighty, guys, I hope you got something good out of this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up on it. Subscribe. You know the deal. You know the ritual. And I will be back with another video for you guys soon.